This is for those of you that are still struggling with how to share your Wakelet with me. I currently have 41 people who shared, which means I'm missing 27. So first log into Wakelet and then go to your actual project. If you clicked edit collection, it's going to take you here and you will not be able to do what I need you to do. Okay. So click done and get out of there. And then you should be on your project. It should say edit collection up here. It should have the contributors button here. I want you to make your project unlisted. So if you click on the three dots and click change visibility, make it unlisted. What unlisted means is only people with the link can see it. If you make it public, anybody on the internet can see your collection. If you make it private, only you can see it. When you add me as a contributor, I can still see it. But if you make it unlisted, then I believe it'll let me add contributors for you. And if you have other people who are doing the same topic as you, I want them to be able to help you with your research and vice versa. You can help them. So click to unlisted and then hit save. And then click on contributors. Go to via name or email and type in my email address. It is JJAEGER. If you're spelling it wrong, it will not work. rvusd.org. Once that is up, click add and then click send. I'm not going to actually do that because I don't want to share it with myself again. Then what will happen is your collection will end up here. Now, if you did not title your Genius project with the actual topic, please go do that immediately. You'll click on it, you'll click edit collection, and then it will allow you to change your title. I can't do that for you, okay? If it's still private, it's going to show up here and you can change the visibility there to unlisted, okay? When I have your collection, it will allow me to do things like this. I just started, so I've only gotten one person. However, Isabel is doing black holes, and so I was able to go into her project, and I was able to add a website that shows a whole bunch of podcasts about black holes, and it'll show who added it down here. So this should say Julie Jager on Isabel's collection. Okay, that's it. If you're still struggling, watch this video, pause it, and do it. So watch, pause, do, watch, pause, do. Okay?